Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of reclaimed wood. If you've ever thought about transforming old timber into something beautiful and profitable, you're in the right place. Reclaimed wood is not just an eco-friendly option. It carries a unique story and character that new materials simply cannot replicate. In this video, we'll explore various projects and ideas that will inspire you to embrace this sustainable resource. Be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video for all the amazing ideas we have in store. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more innovative content, and share this video with your friends. We appreciate your support, and we can't wait to see what you create with reclaimed wood. Understanding reclaimed wood is essential for any DIY enthusiast. It comes from old buildings, barns, and other structures, each piece infused with history. This wood is often more durable than newer materials due to the aging process. When you work with reclaimed wood, you're not only utilizing a resource that might otherwise go to waste, but you're also preserving a piece of history. Each plank has its distinct look, allowing you to create one-of-a-kind pieces that have their own personality. Starting with the basics, one of the most popular projects is the creation of custom furniture. Imagine a stunning reclaimed wood dining table that becomes the centerpiece of your home. By sourcing wood from old pallets or barn doors, you can build tables that are not only beautiful, but also functional. Sanding and finishing these surfaces can bring out the wood's natural grain, making each piece a conversation starter. Next on our list is wall art. Reclaimed wood can be transformed into eye-catching wall decor. You can create rustic wall hangings, decorative shelves, or even intricate wood mosaics. These projects allow for a high level of creativity as you can mix different types of wood and finishes to achieve the desired look. Wall art made from reclaimed wood adds warmth and texture to any space, making it an attractive option for homeowners. Additionally, let's consider home accessories. Small items like picture frames, coasters, and candle holders can be made from reclaimed wood scraps. These projects are perfect for beginners, requiring minimal tools and materials. Plus, they make great gifts or sellable items at local craft fairs or online marketplaces. Simple yet stylish, these accessories will complement any decor style. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try outdoor projects? Reclaimed wood is perfect for building planters, garden benches, or even birdhouses. These projects not only enhance your outdoor space, but also provide functional uses. Imagine creating a rustic planter box filled with flowers or herbs. It's a rewarding way to enjoy both gardening and woodworking, and it's sure to attract attention from neighbors and passers-by. Another popular option is creating custom storage solutions. Reclaimed wood can be used to build everything from bookshelves to storage bins. These functional pieces not only help declutter your space, but also add a touch of rustic charm. By incorporating your personal style into the design, you can create storage solutions that are both practical and visually appealing. Let's not forget about the importance of finishing techniques. Properly finishing reclaimed wood can enhance its beauty and longevity. Options like staining, waxing, or using a clear coat can protect the wood while highlighting its natural characteristics. Experimenting with different finishes helps you achieve various looks, whether you prefer a weathered appearance or a polished shine. Upcycling is another exciting avenue to explore. Instead of discarding old furniture, consider giving it a new life by incorporating reclaimed wood. For instance, you could transform an old dresser by replacing the drawer fronts with planks of reclaimed wood. This approach not only saves money, but also allows you to create a custom piece that reflects your style. Marketing your creations can be just as important as crafting them. Once you've completed your projects, consider setting up an online store or participating in craft fairs to showcase and sell your work. High-quality photos and descriptions highlighting the sustainable aspect of reclaimed wood can attract potential buyers. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase your creations can also help you gain a following and increase sales. Networking with other woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts is highly beneficial. Joining online forums or local woodworking groups can provide support, inspiration, and ideas. Sharing your work and collaborating on projects can help you learn new techniques and improve your skills. Community engagement not only keeps the passion for woodworking alive, but can also open up opportunities for joint ventures and partnerships. Customer feedback is invaluable. As you begin to sell your reclaimed wood creations, listen to the feedback from buyers. This constructive criticism can help you refine your craft and better meet the desires of your audience. Understanding what customers appreciate about your work can inform future designs and strategies, ensuring that you continue to grow and develop your skills. Finally, remember the joy that comes from creating. The process of working with reclaimed wood is often as rewarding as the end result. Each piece that you create contributes to both your skills and the environment, reducing waste while crafting something beautiful and functional. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and enjoy the journey of turning old wood into a profitable venture. Thank you for watching. We hope you found inspiration in today's exploration of creative reclaimed wood decor and furniture concepts. If you enjoyed the ideas shared, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more innovative content. We love hearing from you, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with friends who might also enjoy it. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see what you create from your reclaimed wood projects.